Who doesn't love an extra advantage over the home security when you can ensure the safety at your fingertips? Smart locks are the ones that give you this ease of mind. Many smart locks offer a mobile app that allows you to lock and unlock your doors with a simple icon tap. Some offer a web app that lets you control things from your desktop or laptop PC. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you find some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the Wyze Lock. This lock connects to your Wi-Fi via the included Wyze Lock Gateway and enables auto lock and auto unlock, never to have to think about keys or codes again. It not only tells you the lock status, but also if the door is open or closed. Unlike other locks, Wyze Lock has a built-in gyroscope to know the position of the door. Also, it works with Alexa and can be controlled hands-free. This lock uses the advanced encryption standard 128-bit encryption method, also used by banks. Additionally, it supports two-factor authentication used within the Wyze app, so only those authorized can use Wyze Lock. Next up on the list, we have the Schlage BE479 WB Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. This lock comes with a built-in Wi-Fi that lets you connect directly to your home network, no hubs or accessories necessary. You can use the Schlage Home app or the Key by Amazon app to lock or unlock your door remotely and manage access for trusted visitors. Take advantage of the ease of voice control when paired with an Alexa-enabled device. You can enjoy the flexibility and convenience of the built-in arm and up to 100 access codes. This innovative smart deadbolt is available in various styles and finishes that pair perfectly with Schlage interior door hardware, creating a cohesive look throughout the home. Its built-in alarm technology senses potential security breaches at the lock, while the low battery indicator offers an advanced warning for battery replacement. Moreover, this lock is fingerprint resistant and has a capacitive touchscreen with secure one-touch locking. Up next on the list, we have the Google Nest Yale Lock. It is a secure and tamper-proof lock which is keyless, so you can lock and unlock the door from anywhere with the Nest app. You can give passcodes to family and guests and set schedules to let them in. The Nest and Yale Lock connect to your Wi-Fi and the Nest app through the included Nest Connect. You can get alerts when someone locks and unlocks the door from the access history. Additionally, it works with the Nest Secure Alarm System, which opens the door and the alarm disarms automatically. Some features, including mobile alerts, remote control, and custom schedules, require the Nest app, working internet and Wi-Fi, and Nest Connect or Nest Guard. The Schlage Sense Smart Deadbolt allows you to enter with an access code instead of fumbling for keys. You can easily pair it with your smartphone through Bluetooth Smart technology. Its built-in alarm technology senses potential door attacks, and it can hold up to 30 access codes. Add the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi Adapter to your home Wi-Fi network to lock or unlock from anywhere on Android smartphones, iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. You can update the lock wirelessly through the app as new features are released, which means you never have to buy a new lock to take advantage of the latest capabilities. Share access with trusted friends and family with just a few taps in the Schlage Sense app. No more keeping track of spare keys. Next product on the list is the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro. It is a 6-in-1 smart deadbolt with features like a 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock. Featuring an anti-beep keypad allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. You can also control it directly from your Apple Watch. The app that is available for iOS and Android gives you complete control of your smart lock. It allows you to manage users and provide visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes, see a log record of who has entered, and unlock your door with your smartphone. All communications are encrypted with 2-layer protection using secure 128-bit AES and a dynamic key to keep you and your data safe. Further, it is powered by 4 AA batteries that will give you 8,000 plus time access. Forget about locksmiths. Use the backup key or an external battery to power it up temporarily. The next product on the list is the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. It requires no additional bridge to connect to Wi-Fi, so you get full voice and remote access functionality without the fuss, and this lock needs 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Its auto lock feature automatically secures your front door once it's closed or after a specific amount of time, for up to 30 minutes. It knows you have returned home through geofencing and automatically unlocks the front door. Control and manage your door with the August app on any iOS or Android smartphone, and use your Apple Watch to come and go. On the other hand, the setup takes minutes, and functionality is simple with the August app. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the August Smart Lock Pro. This lock works with Alexa for voice control and requires 110 to 240 volts. Control and monitor your door from anywhere. Lock and unlock your door, control keyless access, and keep track of who comes and goes, all from your phone. Alexa can also provide notifications when your battery is running low, so you can proactively replace them. Set up smart reorders through Dash Replenishment to make sure you always have replacement batteries when you need them. You can track activity at your doorstep with a 24/7 activity feed and requires iOS or Android smartphones. Keep your existing lock and keys. Easily attach it to your existing deadbolt and use your existing keys at any time. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification for more exciting videos from our channel.